Well, hi there. What do you think about this mask? My wife says it's creepy, and I agree. And this is a snake. Some people say they're creepy, and I disagree, but I can see how someone could think that. But you know what isn't creepy? A big angry bear in your living room. Nobody looks at a big angry bear standing right in front of them and says, "Ooh, that gives me the heebie-jeebies." Why not? Because angry bears are not creepy. They're terrifying. A person coming after you with a chainsaw isn't creepy. But clowns are. Why is that? Well, because humans are probably the most dangerous animals on the planet. This is a creature that could be smarter than you are, stronger than you are, that understands what causes you the greatest pain and frequently inflicts unspeakable suffering on other humans like you. And yet every day you probably come into very close proximity to many of them without really giving it much thought. You certainly don't look upon each person that you see with the same fear that you would likely give a bear or even a snake at that same proximity. So what's up? Well, your evolutionary history as well as your personal upbringing have made you extremely good at reading humans. From very subtle cues, you can determine if a person is a threat or not. Many of these cues come from facial expressions. As a result, you can quickly determine if a person is a probable threat or not. Well, that is, unless they have a smile literally painted on their face. Who knows what such a person is thinking? Are they actually smiling? What are they trying to hide? Why would a person need to paint on a smile? And suddenly, you don't know what to make of this person. You don't know that they are a threat, but you certainly don't know that they're not. And this is the creeps. It is the great unease with being unable to determine if something is a threat or not. There is no difficulty in determining that an angry bear or a chainsaw-wielding maniac are a threat. But when I hide my face in this mask, or if I'm a snake, you just might not know one way or the other. I find that if you expose someone to a snake, they generally become far more comfortable with them. There are very few snakes on the planet that win a fight with a human. Even if the snake is venomous, the fact that you die from a bite tomorrow doesn't help the snake that was stomped to death today. And most snakes, like this one, are not venomous at all. They certainly don't want to fight people. But I find that when people see a snake that is afraid, and how they focus on you, following your every move like you would if an angry bear were walking up to you, they suddenly feel totally at ease with a snake like this one that really isn't looking at me at all. And once you learn to tell the difference between a snake that might bite and one that is not afraid, the creeps simply go away. And now you know. If you learned something today, please like this video. If you'd like to learn more in the future, please subscribe and click the little bell. And we hope to see you real soon.